30 ways to make $100 per day online, part 2. Hey, what's up you guys? This is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is the second part of my how to make $100 per day 30 different ways. So this is a 30-part video case study. Again, this is part 2, and this one is a little bit different, okay? Before I show you what it is, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you are into making money online and working from home. So this really helps me out with the algorithm. So if you want to see more videos about making money online and working from home, do these 4 things right now, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description as well. I have some free case studies, free courses. I have my $1 course, I have my coaching, so check it all out. And right now, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video. So guys, what you're going to be doing is testing different websites and apps. Okay, so as a tester, you can easily make $100 per day online, and what I recommend you do is just combine all of these websites that I'm about to show you. Okay, so I will show you top 10 websites. Use at least a couple of them. Okay, so don't think that you're going to be getting tons of different tests daily. Sign up for all of them or as many as you want to, and just combine all of these websites. Okay, so the first website is usertesting.com. okay, so if you want to get paid to test, just click right here where it says get paid to test. This is how you're making money online working from home. You're gonna have to sign up. Just enter your email address, and how it works: you sign up, you take a test, and you get paid $10 for every 20-minute test. So guys, you can easily do 10 tests per day. That's $100 per day, and it's very, very easy to make money online because you don't need any experience or you don't need any tech skills. So this is the first website I wanted to show you. Website number 2 is userfeel.com. Very, very similar. All you have to do here is just click on become a tester, and as you can see, you're going to become a tester and earn $10 per test. So each test is 10 to 20 minutes, and as you can see, you have a little Q&A right here, so they will answer all of your questions. So sign up, and again, you can combine definitely the 2 maybe together with another one that I'm going to show you. That's number 2. Number 3 is testingtime.com. okay, so you're going to be doing the same exact thing. Click on become a tester right here, and you can sign up right here. As you can see, the tests right here are around 5 minutes. You're going to be giving feedback on websites and apps. They work with Google and Trustpilot. So again, you have all the information right here. That's testingtime.com. Number 4, I have userlytics.com. So here you're going to be testing websites and apps. So you're going to register to earn money. You can interact with a web or a mobile app. So you can even do this from your smartphone, and you're going to get paid via PayPal, $5, $10, $15, or $20, and up to $90. So very, very easy to make up to $100 if you combine all of these. And as you can see, you have to be 16 years old or older. So even as a teenager, you can do this. I hope you love these make money online ideas. Now, next up, we have Try My UI. So this is for testing websites, apps, and products. Okay, so again, all you have to do is just click on get paid to test, and we have this little form right here. They actually pay $10 per test, and each test is approximately 20 minutes. So again, 10 tests per day, 20 minutes, and you're good to go. You're making money online, $100 per day, working from home. Pretty cool, right? Next up, I have checkealos.com. okay, so it's check EALOS. As you can see, you're going to be earning money testing. So this is actually a company based in Europe. So you're going to be making €8, which is $10. So pretty much the same. Each test is 15 minutes. You can register right now by clicking right here. And again, all the information is right here on this website. Next up, I have utest.com. This is the largest community of testers in the world. You can click here to become a U-tester and just fill this out. They will send you all the information. So again, guys, it is probably a good idea to sign up on as many of these as you possibly can. Next up, I have testio.com. I already went to this page. It says become a tester. You can join the testing community, become a tester, get the latest apps, websites, and games. So even games. So let's click on become a tester. As you can see, they work with big companies like Revolve or Lacoste. You're going to be earning money up to $50 for every issue you find. Again, working from home, making money online. This is perfect, especially right now in 2021. Next up, this is number 9. I have tester.userbrain.net. So as you can see here, you're going to be making money testing websites from home. Just sign up with your email and choose your password. Now this website pays a little bit less. It pays $3, but the tests are 5 to 15 minutes. Okay, so again, maybe if you will run out of tests on all the other websites, you can come here and make $3 in 5 minutes. And number 10 and the last website is loop11.com. Again, you're going to be getting paid to testing websites. They actually pay above average rates for high quality website testing. And they pay bonuses, and they provide frequent opportunities to their workers. So you can click on begin an application. And again, guys, sign up on as many of these as you can. If you want to make money online, if you want to work from home, especially right now in 2021 and beyond, this is how you do it. You can easily make $100 per day doing this. I hope you're enjoying this YouTube series. Again, please watch all 30 videos. I will be uploading 1 video per day. So this was number 2. Come back tomorrow for number 3. Before you go, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. Check out all the links in the description. And again, watch all the rest of the videos on this channel if you are into making money online and working from home. See you in the next one. Ciao.